Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use passkeys on iPhone and Mac. So let's get started. First, let's start with what is passkeys. Passkeys is a feature introduced by Apple that enables user to authenticate to websites and app using Face ID or Touch ID without the need for a password. So firstly, let's go and see where is password stored in Mac and iPhone. Now go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then simply scroll down and tap on Password option available. And inside Password, your iPhone will ask for the Face ID or password. Clear it. Then you can see all the saved password in here. All your password you have saved in through Google Safari is all saved in your Passwords option in Settings. Now in MacBook, the process is quite similar. Simply go to the Apple icon available in the top left corner and tap on the System Settings. Inside System Settings, you will get to see the Passwords option available there as well. Then simply tap on the Passwords option shown there. You can see the Passwords option, tap on it, then it will ask you for the passcode or Touch ID, and you can see all your passwords and the email listed here. Now let's get started with using passkeys in iPhone. When you visit a website or app that requires authentication, tap on the username or password field. Your device will prompt you with Face ID or Touch ID authentication. Once authenticated, passkeys will automatically fill in the required credential and you will log in. In MacBook, when you visit a website in Safari that requires authentication, click on the username or password field. Your Mac will also prompt you with Touch ID or password authentication. Once authenticated, passkeys will automatically fill in the required credentials and you will be logged in your MacBook as well. You can also share your passkeys, so simply go to the any passkey you want to share and simply tap on the share icon available in the top. So in order to share, you'll have to turn on the Bluetooth because it can be shared only through the eardrop, not any other way. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel